Not only does this exercise work on your balance, but it also is quite the leg burner. So it is typically easier to start in the lower position here with your back knee on the ground and your front knee bent at a 90-degree angle, and grab your resistance band, and you may have to play around with the length here just to kind of adjust your tension as needed. But I kind of hold my band kind of halfway down the resistance band so that I can get a little bit of extra tension. But you want to exhale and then kind of stand up. And of course, you want good glute squeeze here on this one. Again, you want to make sure that your abs are engaged and you're not bearing down on that pelvic floor. Can't stress that enough. So on that exhale, you are going to stand up, and you don't have to come to a complete stand, just so that you can kind of get some recoil with your muscles. So then you can inhale, lower yourself slowly, and exhale and stand up. Really great burner exercise. Good luck with this one.